kendo lando duoko ka koro nyaka gesa ni nyakoro Ramogi en ni Donald Trump jatelo kata jatend piny Amerika manyien kendo yombo Kamala Harris. Odhi nyime migawo mar aluora obago romo kod rowere mag gwenge boma ma Nairobi mar goyo mbaka e ber moseyudore e romo mar chal kor lwasi mane ochakore e higa manyien higa mokalo e pacho ka. Apisa maduong' mar riwruok mar Jacobs Africa Sela Bogonko olero ni romo makamano oseyawo thuolo mathoth kendo manyien ne chenro mabende dhi miyo rowere ma pacho ka tich. Kata obedo ni nok mar tich en achiel kuom midhiero maduong' mar rowere ma pacho ka osebedo ka kale, thuolo mosebedo ka yudore e migawo mar aluora ok mi pek, to bende kuondego ema rowere ma pacho ka nyalo yude tije.
Largely is the national treasury involved in.
It's important for us not to allow time to pass without taking stock. And so today we are gathered here hosting this event which is called Africa Climate Summit at 1. And what we're having today is a specific thematic focused conversation around adaptation and food systems. And so our hope as Jacob's Ladder in partnership with various organizations here is that this is just a trigger that will make the momentum be sustained, because we did raise our hands as Kenya and as Africa, and we said we can offer solutions. We do need to be able to keep the momentum by making sure that we're not just talking about these issues, but we're actually implementing it.
As the impacts of climate change become worse, indeed they're becoming worse every day, we still have opportunity to reverse through our individual actions and our collective actions to make a difference.
In this particular initiative, we intend to create 3 million jobs for young people across the African continent. And we are glad really that the government of Kenya, together with other partners, are taking a step forward to ensuring that young people are meaningfully employed, particularly in agriculture.
So we want to thank Jacob's Ladder for using the Damos approach, where we have all these three key stakeholders on the table discussing, putting our issues to the forefront, and moving to COP29. We believe these recommendations will form a basis of discussion moving forward.